What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification icon, like the video, comment down below. That's it, guys. Cool, guys. I want to stress this. Please subscribe, guys. We need to get to 4,000. Road to 4,000, guys. Let's go to 4,000. If you are watching these videos without subscribing, guys, shame on you. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay. Today I'm teaching you Ngometsi Cover Me My Lord. Oh, okay. The song is very simple. Break it down first and play it later, okay? Okay. Play this chord. Depend. Okay, in this part depend. Okay, in this part depends how a person is singing. Someone will say under your shelter. And others will say under your shelter. Depends. See how you sing. You can play it like this, okay? Under your shelter. If you like, you can say that's the difference, okay? Very easy song. This is a very easy song. Sorry. Okay, if I can play a drum. Okay, let me play a small. Sorry, guys. Simple drum. Sure, first man. Okay, guys, udlala idrum lakho. Hamba kanje. Simple song, guys. It's very simple. ukuthi lo muntu oculayo icula kanjani. That's it, guys. Have a great time. Subscribe to your channel, click on the notification icon, like the video. That's it. Catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.